What is up, future full-time fit coaches? In this video, I'm going to show you the #1 app you should be using to provide workouts to your clients online. My goal is that by the end of this video, you're no longer searching. We have you set up on a platform ready to start selling. So if that sounds like what you're here for, let's hop right into the video. So before I drop the name of the app, I want to talk about why an app is so important in 2023 if you're trying to grow your fitness business, specifically online. And that's for 4 very important reasons. #1 is the ease of use. Having Excel spreadsheets and emails is no way to be running a business anymore, and your clients will notice this, and the difficulty this provides them and the lack of efficiency is going to cause them to pick another coach over you. #2 is relevancy. With every other coach out there starting to move onto these platforms, it's super important that you do as well if you want your clientele perceiving you as high end. #3 is professionalism. Let's be honest, guys. If you're sending out Excel sheets over email still, that doesn't come across like an established business owner or brand. That comes across as someone with a side hustle. So if you want to actually professionalize this business and start making real money in 2023, this is going to be important. And then lastly, #4 is scalability. You can only email so many forms to so many people without getting burned out or running out of time in your day. With an online software that provides an app that your clients can use, you can scale almost infinitely and allow yourself to bring on 10 times more clients than if you're doing it the old way. All right, with that being said, let's hop into today's software. Here we are inside of Trainerize. This is what your software is going to look like when you get set up. I don't want you guys to worry about anything too much here. In this video, I'm just going to show you very quickly how to get started using this. What we really want to look at is down here in master libraries. If you come in here, you can create workouts, you can create programs. There's an exercise database that you can eventually update with your own exercises. You can even assign habits to your clients. So you can go even broader than the normal fitness stuff that's usually incorporated in programs. It's going to allow you to customize this far beyond what your clients are used to getting, which is why I really like this software. For today, let's get set up. Let's create a first workout program. So I'm going to show you guys how to set up your workout templates. So when you have a client that signs up and gets onboarded, you immediately have a bunch of different templates to pick from that you can auto assign to them and then customize it based on what their needs are, so that it'll speed up your workflow so you can onboard 10 clients in the time it took you to onboard 1 before this software. So in here in the workouts library, you'll start with these 3 30-day beginner plans that comes with the software when you sign up. And then I've created some other trainings for our private course in here, and I'll show you them very quickly. But once you're inside this, you can see what the name of the program is, what it's tagged. See, this is push-pull legs. I've tagged that for this program. Then you can see the different exercises and a breakdown of those exercises plus the rest and sets. And if you click on this little button here, you can go and you can edit this. So this is the Trainerize library. It's got all of these different exercises. You can come in here and let's say we want to add something to this leg day. We want to add squats. I can write squats in here, search. It's going to pull up all squatting movements. So let's say I want to make this even better and I want barbell squats. Bang. There you go. It auto updates. And now you have barbell sumo squat. You have barbell back squat. You can just drag one of these into here. And now it sets it up. You can adjust your sets up and down. You can adjust the time or the text. So I could add some text in here and say, hey, I'd like this to be 12 to 15 reps. And then I want you resting, let's say 3 minutes in between sets. And bang, now you can start building this out. So you can see there's a ton of functionality here. And what the cool part about this is once I save this, this is now a template. So this workout here, I can go in and when I assign a client, let's say we come into this clients tab here and you can see here we have a test client. If I open up their profile, and again, you'll see they give you these little helpful tips here that you can use. If I open up their profile, I can see their exercise compliance and their training programs. You see no current training program. Let's add one. And we're going to go in here and you can see they've got these set up here. But I'm actually going to go to their calendar itself. So once you're in here, you can see you can start building out a client's program. So I clicked here. I could add in a phase and I could create it for an end and start date. Let's say we wanted to do 4 blocks or 4 weeks at a time. Or I could subscribe them to a master program, which again, if we go back to this tab here and we exit out of our client here, that's where workouts can come programs. So remember how I was tagging those push-pull legs? You could create a new program in here, build new, and you could call this the PPL. And then this could be 3 different phases that last 4 weeks for a 12-week program. And then you could have this to be your personal masters, and then you can save that. And now you can add in those workouts. So you see import, I'm going to go to my shared workouts that I've created. And now I want to add in all of these push-pull leg workouts. So I've got my hypertrophy and my strength ones. Boom, I'm going to import all of these. Now they're imported into this Trainerize program. And the easiest thing to do now is I can just schedule these out. So you see, I can hit schedule and I could say, hey, when someone joins, I want to make sure that hypertrophy legs is every Thursday. And then, I could even, have hypertrophy legs for month 1, hypertrophy legs for month 2. And then when you assign this to a client, they have a calendar and it shows in their calendar exactly what's happening. So you can see the functionality here. This software is going to speed up your workflow really, really fast. And then if we go back to what the client sees here, let's go to their calendar. This is what the client's looking at. Now, there's nothing assigned here, but let's say that for this day, I assigned a workout. And if I go to training programs, you can see there's nothing in here. So let's just start building a test program. We'll call it the PPL as well. Or you know what? We'll subscribe them to that PPL we just made. Subscribe to a master program. We're going to do does it show up in here? Here we go, personal program, PPL. We're going to subscribe them. Awesome. Now they're in here. You can see they're currently on this week's 1 through 4 of this master program. And then we go to their calendar because it's been subscribed to them. You can see all those Thursdays, they pop up. It's automatically there. So the easiest way for you to do this right now is use the link below to download Trainerize. Set this app up and then come into workouts over here and create a 3, 4, 5, and 6 day workout split, and maybe create one that's more catered towards female clients and one that's more catered towards male clients. And in total, you'll have a 3, 4, 5, and 6 day split ready for any of your clients coming in. And then you can just assign that workout to their calendar and adjust it based on their personal needs. Okay, hopefully now you're in Trainerize, you're set up, and you've got your workouts made. And make sure you subscribe to watch our next episode where we talk about creating products inside of Trainerize so you can start actually getting clients to pay you for this service and the logins to your app. If you're like me and you get into a project and you just want to start going all out, you can skip the wait for the next video. Use the second link down below. Click on that. We're going to send you over a free course going over the 5 other softwares along with everything else you need to know about Trainerize to get your entire business set up and functioning so you can start bringing in clients, locking them in, closing deals, and collecting money online as soon as today. So if that sounds like you, check out the Ultimate Tech Hacks free course down below. Second link in the description. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, Future Fit Coach.